Article 23 of the United Nations Human Rights states that everyone has a right to work, to free choice of employment, to protection against unemployment, at a free will. Everybody has a right to employment without segregation and to equal pay for the same amount of work. Please subscribe to this channel, follow on Facebook and Pinterest, and also frequently request you to visit www.lawfolk.site. Well, today the topic is about unemployment. The most neglected human right is unemployment. Is the right to work, which is enshrined in Article 23. We have been seeing a lot of funding and donation going to a lot of human rights activities. For example, the right for those who want sexuality, how they call it, right for education, women's rights, and a lot of other rights, which majority of them, in fact 99% of the rights are correct and good. There are some which are questionable. But now this one here, which is the most important of all rights, the right to work, is the one that has seen no campaign going on it. If you remember, you follow UN or UN Human Rights on their Facebook, Twitter, and other channel, you find they're always posting right for education, let the children go back to school. They are not looking at those who are unemployed. Do you know why? A lot of people in the United Kingdom and the US don't suffer from unemployment because they have unemployment benefit for their citizens. But now, back in Africa and low developed countries like South America and Asia, unemployment is a big challenge. But the UN will never talk about that. They will never think about, I don't know when that right will happen. I don't know the global agenda 2030, how it will be achieved, what kind of magic will happen in the 7 years left. Roughly 6 years and 9 months left. If we continue neglecting this, there is a bigger problem piling up for the future, because most of the low developed countries are understating their unemployment statistic. Many government public-private partnership endorsed to take demographics studies like population census always understate what will put them black on the board. And also the statistics being brought out by World Bank these days are also questionable, because you find countries that clearly have a lot of unemployment are not included on the list. So think about this. The Bible does not address the issue of unemployment, but leadership and politics takes away the ownership of land. To any country that people still own land, it's just a matter of time. It will be taken away. Now, the Bible won't think about farming or cultivation of land. There's no land these days. People can't acquire land. And also, the nature of training, people spend 18 to 20 years in universities. So it is not easy to come and readjust to what you have not been trained for. Because that one you have been trained for like 2 decades. You spend 2 decades in institutions, and at the end of it, you are unemployed. But also, there are those who are not educated, and they still also deserve employment in casual sectors out of their skills, out of their talent. So the UN must start being the UN which people used to know earlier. There are rights that needs to be campaigned for, like Article 23. If people are unemployed, they are all potential rebels. So, these rights which are not tangible, they're also important, but this tangible right needs serious attention. Thanks for watching. May you like, give us your feedback in the comment, and you can share to your friends. Thank you and bye-bye.
Dini kompiti kanina jua barja yote ni kora nuo pundino kwero punyo ko dong ne kwero na lego